Remember when I told you about whatever was going to be coming down had to be going back up again? Well, here we are at the nice little accoutrements on the red trail, the Eagle Trail, I believe they call it. And I was kind of wondering how long it was because the sun is going down, of course. But I've only brought one, believe it or not, one fire flashlight with me and no spare batteries for the flashlight. That particular battery flashlight has no spares. And down here in the bottom land, if it's a 2 or 3 mile hike, I might get caught in the dark. But fortunately, what I understood, it's only a half a mile. So we get to check out these little accoutrements that are special on the trail. And of course, I know it. We were going the opposite direction, but I knew that that couldn't be correct because we're walking away from the car. We don't want to do that. Also, I knew that we were further and further away because I could start hearing cars where we were. And I'm like, no, that's not right. So I figured the only thing we can do is keep going on the red trail because it goes uphill. And that's where we started. Oh, way up the fuck up there, man. Oh, excuse my language. That was, ooh, that was a rock the size of a softball that attempted to wedge itself between me and my reality. We are steadily going up, and eventually, so far it looks like it goes up much easier than when we came down. That was a big, radical bringer down there. The comfort level has changed dramatically. Down here in the bottomland, got a little bit of humidity, but we do have less sunlight, which equates to less infrared and ultraviolet, and less perceived heat. Except for, that's not really perceived, that's actual heat. Perceived heat would come from the humidity. Down here it is a little humid. Oh yes. I haven't seen any markers, have you? It's supposed to be a red blaze. I've been seeing them. I've been staying on the red one. I didn't know that. I was looking for some way to tell how long these trails were, because it tells you at the beginning of the trail. And I fortunately took a nice clear picture of it, because down there in the bottomlands you can't tell. There are no nice little signs to tell you these things. So I brought it up on the camera and zoomed in on it, and was able to determine that this trail, if it's the red trail, is only half a mile long. And when it's when it's 106 degrees, half a mile equates to about 10 miles. And of course you see we can keep going that way because that's the way we should go. And over here there's a little bridge. We'll take a look around and come back. We're looking any minute now for the for batteries to go out. I do have plenty of batteries for the camera. Looks like almost like a little campsite. Some serious water comes through here. Oh yeah. Yeah, some water comes through there, baby. Ooh, I'd like to go that way. Can't do it. That one's the green trail. Being that this place really isn't that far away once you know how to get here, I'll be coming back to explore this trail. And of course, report to you on my findings. Because so far, this place rocks. It reminds me a lot of Rockwood's Reservation. We will continue on our red trail that is supposedly half a mile long, so not even half a mile, it's at 0.49. So it shouldn't be even that kind of... Shoot, boy, I tell you what, when I get to that car, the ice better look out, because I'm going to eat it all. Ooh. We're going uphill. You know what I hate to do, though, really, is I have to take my pack off right here and set it up on that big ass fucking log right there. Come here. And change the damn batteries. Which I ought to do. Just in case, you know, because they're gonna go out. But I just can't seem to waste the battery. There's some left. Unless I use it all, I'll get upset about it because it's wasteful. Use it all. It's good for the planet. Good for you. Good for me. Good. Look at this. See, we're still down here quite a ways. That's way the fuck up there. Got some real nice water polished rocks here. Real nice. Ow, you. Oh. Oh. Yeah, she goes downstream in a trot. I'm going to tell you. Got a little bit of water action right here with some associated water sliders. Water seeping from the upper yonder. And now, here's what I told you about. We're going to start getting up close. We're going to get personal with this hill. So, let me get back to you. All I'm going to be doing is wheezing and hollering and whistling and giggling and acting all tart. So, you don't want to hear all that. I don't even want to hear it. But hey, what's going to happen? I'm going to stay right here for a minute. Phew, boy, I think I will. I know which way I'm going now, so why can't I just stay here for a minute? Stay here for a minute. Camp 2. Camp 2. Nice camp amongst the trickle of water and the water spiders, water sliders. Nice place to be. Alright, I'm turning off because you don't need to hear all the biological torturings of going up this hill. So I'll catch you on the top. That's right.